Hello students, today we are going to deal with paper solution. The first section is based on prose. This will come for 12 marks children, and you may be given a comprehension over here. Question will be asked on the basis of comprehension. Then you may get the question based on language study, vocabulary, summary, note making or mind mapping. Either of the two will be asked. And let's start. Question number 1A is read the given extract and complete the activity given below. First we'll read the extract, then one by one we'll try to read the question and the answer for those activities. Let's see. Let's start reading children. This is not to say that I did not like science or mathematics. In fact, I love these subjects. However, I did not study them only for scoring maximum marks in the examination. I used to study these subjects or any subject for that matter for its inherent beauty. I found Newton's law of motion beautiful and Pythagorean theorem elegant. I loved solving problems of physics and mathematics of the 9th standard when I was in the 7th. Not to show off, but just because I used to love problem solving and used to enjoy finding out the most elegant method of solving them. Obviously, these problems were not a part of the curriculum, but I enjoyed the whole process. This attitude of looking beyond marks or examination and to seek joy in solving any challenging problem helped me to develop a problem-solving attitude, which came handy when I appeared for IIT entrance JEE, because this exam is completely based on your problem-solving ability and the ability to think not only logically but quickly and rapidly. I scored 100% marks in mathematics and in almost all the examinations, but I appeared for my first standard until IIT bearing only a few times. I stood 16th in the SSC board at that time. This examination was for the whole Maharashtra, including Nagpur, and I stood first in the university of all subjects put together. Those days you could get an admission into IIT without entrance test JEE if you had scored the first rank in the university. Therefore, I did not have to appear for the entrance test to get the admission into IIT, but nobody in Solapur told me about it. For I doubt if anybody in Solapur even knew about this rule. Therefore, I appeared for the entrance examination and I scored a very good rank in the same. This was all about the extract, children. Let's begin with the activities. Read the following statements and write down whether it is true or false. Achyut Godbole scored 100% marks in mathematics and languages in almost all the examination that he appeared. This is false. When Arthur was in 7th standard, he loved solving problems of physics and mathematics of the 9th standard. This is true, children. Arthur got admission in IIT Mumbai without appearing entrance examination as he had scored first rank in university. This is again false because he appeared in the entrance exam because he did not know about the rule. Achyut Godbole stood 16th in SSC board examination conducted for the whole Maharashtra including Nagpur. This is very true. So this way we have got the answers of the first activity, given activity, which was true and false. Let's proceed further. The second activity is complete. The writer Achyut Godbole developed a problem solving attitude because, now what is the answer? Two reasons you have to give over here. Let's check it out. First is, he used to get involved in solving them. And second one is, he used to love problem solving and enjoy finding out the most elegant method of solving them. This was the answer of activity 2. You jot down in your notebook, children. Now let's see what is the activity 3. Find proof. Find proof from the extract that Achyut Godbole was an exceptionally good in all subjects, especially maths, from his childhood. Now let's see what is the answer, children. I scored 100% marks in mathematics in almost all examinations that I appeared from my first standard until IIT, barring only few times. I stood first in all subjects in university put together. I stood 16th in the SSC board. These all are proofs from the given extract that shows that Achyut Godbole was exceptionally good in all subjects. This way you have to write the answer. Now let's read the next question. This is personal response question, children. Again for 2 marks here. Write 4 or 5 sentences about the subject that you like most and explain the reason. This is your choice, children. You all can write anything over here based on the true facts. The answer given over here is, I, being a commerce student, I love bookkeeping and accountancy subject right from my school days. I like maths and also my father is a chartered accountant, so I really get engrossed in accountancy and mathematics subjects. I love these, especially accountancy, as after graduation I too would like to follow my father's footsteps and join him in our family profession. Now let's read activity 5, children. This is based on language study. I appeared for my IIT entrance. Given below are 4 options. Find out and write down the correct present perfect continuous tense form of the given sentences. I has been appearing for my IIT entrance. I had been appearing for my IIT entrance. I shall have been appearing for my IIT entrance. I have been appearing for my IIT entrance. This was language study. You have to tell, okay, I appeared for my IIT entrance. Given below are 4 options. You have to find out and write down the correct present perfect continuous tense. Now, which is the present perfect continuous tense, children? I have been appearing for my IIT entrance. This is the proper answer out of those 4 options, because along with I, there are 2 family groups. I have already explained you this particular point in our grammar lecture. I, we, you, they is the first family group. He, she, it is the second family group. If it's a present perfect tense, you are going to use have along with I, we, you, they. And if it's a past perfect tense, you are going to use he, she, it family group, so you are going to use has. He has, she has, it has. But if it's a past perfect tense, so along with all the 7 family members, you are going to use had. So the question is present perfect continuous form. The option will be, I have been appearing for my IIT entrance. Okay, children. Now let's move further. The second one is, I appeared for the entrance examination and I secured a very good rank in the same. Use ing form of the underlined word and rewrite the sentence. Now, which is the ing form? You have to first write down. Let's see the answer. Appearing for the entrance examination, I secured a very good rank in the same. Okay. Now let's see. Question number A6, activity A6, vocabulary based. Find out the words from the extract which means set of a courses, coursework and their content offered at a school or university. Answer is curriculum. institution of higher education where subjects are studied and researched in depth and degrees are offered. University. Institution is a university. Graceful or stylish in appearance or manners. Elegant. And last is existing in something as permanent. Inherent. This was all the answers of all the given 6 activities in question number 1A. Now let's start with question number 1B. Non-textual grammar will be asked over here. Do as directed. This will come for 4 marks. So altogether it will be 12 plus 4, 16 marks. Let's see the first given question. It was dash excellent lunch. The meal cost him dash 250 rupees. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles and rewrite. It was an excellent lunch. The meal cost him 250 rupees. Why an is there? Because vowel. E is a vowel, the initial letter of the word excellent. So an is going to come over here. It was an excellent lunch. The meal cost him 250 rupees. Now the second activity is she looked dash and her eyes shone dash an eternal light. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions and rewrite the sentence, children. She looked up and her eyes shone with an eternal light. Up and with. These are the proper prepositions. Now let's see. Third one. A prominent minister says, I have heard people confess to breaking every one of the 10 commandments except the 9th. Fill in the blanks and change the sentence into indirect speech. A prominent minister says that he has heard people confess to breaking every one of the 10 commandments except the 9th. Last, second one is spot the error. Correct it and rewrite the sentence. Shakespeare is one of our greatest dramatists. Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatist. Instead of a, what will be the answer here, children? The. So this was all about section 1A, section 1, question number 1A. In the next lecture, we'll be doing question number 2, inshallah.